Hey, it's Trainer Talk, and I'm Alexa, and we're gonna what? Hey, it's me. Hey, Sunny team, it's Alexa. Welcome to Trainer Talk, and today we're gonna be talking about heart health. So I think all types of workouts are going to benefit heart health. This is going to be training in a bunch of different ways. So we can train by doing cardio, so that can be like running, walking, cycling. It's going to be from strength training, that can be with bands or dumbbells or body weight. And I think flexibility and mobility training as well. Training your body to move in different types of ways is going to help train your heart because it's going to challenge your heart to move more effectively. It's going to push oxygen through your body. So not only are you going to feel better, but your heart is going to be more effective. So it's going to pump better and it's going to work better in the long run.
One form of activity that many people overlook when it comes to its impact on heart health is strength training. Strength training indirectly impacts our heart health by improving our strength, our muscle mass and bone density, which allows us to move with better quality of movement and allows us to perform for longer durations during our cardiovascular activity. It will also improve our quality of movement for our day-to-day activities like the chores we do so we can move pain-free and move more often.
So something that I do to de-stress is meditation. We have so much going on in our lives. And just to take even just a few moments, 1 minute, 5 minutes, just to really breathe, to meditate, to try to tune it all out and get in touch with your inner self, I find very helpful.
There are some things that you should limit if you are trying to improve your heart health, and that would be more of those processed foods that are packed with sugar or salt, additives, processed ingredients that really don't add anything to your nutrition. At the end of the day, they're just kind of adding empty calories, and so many studies have shown us that these things really aren't good for our body. So it's not that you can't eat it, it's just maybe don't eat it as often and try to prioritize those healthy foods that you do like. And that's not only going to help with your heart health, but it's also going to help fuel your body for the workouts that you were trying to put in for your heart health as well.
So 2 great diets that you can follow for heart health are a plant-based diet and the Mediterranean diet. And both of these diets are either reducing or eliminating a lot of fatty meats. So it's a lot of lean meats, healthy fats, and a lot of fruits and vegetables.
My name's Alexa, and that was Trainer Talk. And how do you keep your heart healthy? Like, subscribe, comment, and let us know what you do to keep your heart healthy.